I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the PDF and Edge app ready. Now begin. Open your file manager or email, find the PDF, and tap it once to trigger the Open menu. If your phone asks which app to use, select Microsoft Edge and choose Always or just once depending on your preference. Make sure Edge has permission to access files. If not, grant storage or files permission in app settings. Once done, Edge will load the document viewer and render the first page within seconds. Once the PDF loads, learn the viewer controls so you can work quickly. Pinch to zoom for detail, double tap to fit, and swipe to move between pages. This improves speed when scanning long documents. Tap the top or bottom toolbar to reveal Search, Save, Print, and Share buttons. Use Search to jump to exact words. If you need thumbnails, tap the page icon to jump to a specific page. Make sure to allow Edge to download or cache for offline access if you plan to read without internet. Finish by saving or sharing. Tap the Save or Download icon to keep a local copy in Downloads or a chosen folder, then use Share to send the file or open it in another app. If you need annotations, choose Annotate or Add Notes from the toolbar. For troubleshooting, if Edge fails to open the PDF, first close and reopen the app, clear cache, and confirm permissions. Next, update Edge from the App Store or re-download the PDF. If problems persist, reboot your phone before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.